Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the extended back post triple crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains. You will need to know how to make the triple crochet stitch and the extended triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular double crochet stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I made 5 chains and then I worked a regular extended triple into this first stitch right here. So I'm ready to make my extended back post triple. First thing you're going to do is wrap the yarn around your hook twice. You're then going to insert your hook from the back of your work in between the stitch you just worked and the one that you would want to work into next, but you're going to stick it in between them. It's going to poke out the front like that, then it's going to go in front of that next stitch and poke out the other side towards the back of your work again. You're then going to grab that yarn, you're simply going to pull it through. This is where you would finish the stitch like an extended triple. Yarn over your hook, take that yarn through 1 loop only. Yarn over your hook, take that through 2 loops. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops, yarn over, take it through the last 2 loops. So that's going to be 1 extended back post triple stitch made. Regular extended triple right here. Again, yarn over your hook twice. Take your hook in the back of your work and it's going to go in between the stitch you just worked and the one that you would want to work into next, but it's going to go in between them. It's going to poke out the front, you're going to take it in front of that stitch, and then it's going to poke out the other side of that stitch towards the back of your work again. Grab that yarn, simply pull it on through. Yarn over, take that yarn through only 1 loop. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take the yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through the last 2 loops. Regular extended triple here. Again, yarn over your hook twice. Insert your hook from the back of your work towards the front in between those 2 stitches. It's going to poke out like that. You're going to take it in front of that stitch. It's going to poke out the other side towards the back again. Grab that yarn, pull it through like this. Alright, yarn over, take it through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Regular extended triple right here. The reason I'm doing regular extended triples in between these back post ones is to show the texture that they are going to make. So the raised stitches right here are actually the regular extended triples. These back post ones you can see are the ones that are wrapping around the stitches, and it's creating this sort of ridge right here. Again, yarn over your hook twice. Take that yarn in between the, that hook in between these 2 stitches right here. It's going to poke out the front and go in front of that stitch. Grab that yarn, just pull it around and through. Yarn over, take it through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take it through 2, yarn over, take it through 2, yarn over, take it through 2. Regular triple right here, regular extended triple. Yarn over your hook twice. This is where you're going to insert it from the back of your work. It's going to go in front of that stitch and poke out the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, take it through 1 loop, yarn over, take it through 2. Yarn over, take it through 2, yarn over, take it through 2. Alright, this next one is going to be my last extended back post triple of this row. Yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook in between these two stitches right here, the one you just worked and the next one that you would normally work into. It's going to go in between them from the back of your work. You're going to take that hook in front of that stitch. It's going to poke out the other side. You're going to grab your yarn and pull it on through. Yarn over, take that yarn through only one loop. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. I'm going to do a regular extended triple right here to finish off my row. So this is what the front of your work is going to look like. Again, the raised stitches are going to be those regular extended triples. The recessed stitches that are wrapping around these stitches are the extended back post ones that we had made. And then this is what the back of your work is going to look like. That is going to be how to make the extended back post triple crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.